Dungeon Slayer, baby. Dungeon Slayer. All out. Hungry like the wolf. Hungry like the big bad wolf. Said peace out.
Down and up. Down and up. Down and up. Good, good. Whoa.
Sickening. Peace out.
Yeah.
Anakin Skywalker style. I'm so fucking angry. I want to take all the lightsabers and stick it up everybody's ass.
Hope.
I want to go all the way down.
Till you puke. Till you puke.
Now I'm angry. Come on.
Don't rack it. Don't you dare rack that shit. One more. One more. Come on. Again. See? What do you think about that?
Sickening.
Huh? Sickening?
Sickening. Look at this.
Wait, hold on.
Look at this forearm.
What you do is get
Sickening.
down.
Oh yeah, Macho Man from town.
Again. Again. There you go.
This is Play-Doh toys. Time to nail the shoulders. Yeah, baby. It's gonna hurt.
Yeah, there you go. I don't want anybody to be able to watch this and criticize your form. There you go. Yeah. Good set.
Fucking free. Get it. Freakish. Fuck that. We don't care. I don't care about the bar. Who cares about injuries? We're freaks.
Beast mode.
Fucking freak. Fuck you. Sure. You fuck you!
I want to see.
He doesn't know how to use a computer. Are you illiterate, son?
I gotta. Clouded, this boy is very, very clouded. I sense much fear in you. Dark side is in you. Hate, anger, rage. Everything all over the above. You see Yoda. You see Yoda.
Halloween fucking marbles. 90 Dorian Yates the player. Sickening, sickening. Shirt unveiled, sickening.
Wait, let me get a little peek.
Sickening. Listen to Rod Zombie right now. Rod Zombie. Sick. This is what gets me pumped, my new keychain, this little California here I come rat with a little biceps and dumbbell with a cigar like Arnold. These are for all my haters. Hater 1 rep. Hater 2 rep.
Talk to the haters, Jason.
Hater 3 rep.
Talk to the haters,
Hater
Jason.
4 rep. 5 rep.
Tell them what's on your mind.
6 rep. 7 rep. Josh Fox, get off my dick.
Down and up again.
You big buzz. Peace out, master. You're the best.